Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now children, we had completed in history lesson number 1, historiography, development in the West. We had also completed political science, lesson number 1, working of the constitution. Now children, you are expected to write assignment on history and political science. There are some important questions which you are supposed to write in your foolscape paper, or if you have last year assignment sheets, you can write in that too. Let us see what are the important questions which you are expected to write for history lesson number 1, historiography, development in the West. Now the first question is, explain Karl Marx class theory. Now children, you have already learned about the Karl Marx class theory. It is a class struggle, division of society, right? So where the society is divided into haves and have-nots, right? So we have already done that. Then you are supposed to write second question. What are the 4 characteristics of modern historiography? You have to write 4 points, okay? These answers are very important, children, okay? Then what is feminist historiography? You have to write about the inclusion of women in writing historiography. Then about the Simone de Beauvoir, we have already covered that. Yes, my dear children. So all these 3 questions of lesson number 1, history, that is historiography, development in the West, you are all expected to write in points, okay? You can write in foolscape paper or you can write in the assignment sheets. So these are the 3 important questions of history lesson number 1. Then you have to write for lesson number 1 of political science, working of the constitution, these 2 questions. The first one is, what are the effects of reducing the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Now here children, India, you know, it is the largest democracy in the world. Yeah, because these voting age, that is now it has become 18 years. So the younger generation, they can also participate in the election process, right? So because of that, our democracy is the largest democracy in the world, right? Then second, which decision of the court has resulted in protection of honor and dignity of women? We had already learned about the laws relating to women. Yes, that is equal share in the property of father and husband. Then the Dowry Prohibition Act, Sati Prohibition, right? So widow remarriage, all these points you will write, children. Okay, so 2 questions for political science and 3 questions for history. Again I repeat, children, you have to write in a foolscape paper or you can write in the assignment sheets. But remember, always in history, you are expected to write your answers in points. Okay, my dear children. So when the school will reopen, you have to submit these assignments to us. Okay. So thank you, my dear children. Have a good day, my dear children.